Hello, you're welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build an opt-in page with WordPress and also connect your opt-in page to your Mailchimp CRM. So if you don't know what an opt-in page is, an opt-in page is just a simple page that you can use to grab people's contact details in order for you to market to them either now or in the future. So it depends on whatever you want to sell. Maybe it might be an affiliate offer, or maybe your own product. So let us quickly take a look at this page in action. So if you can see, this page is the opt-in page. So where you can see the ultimate secrets working from home, which is the title of this page, and this is the image of the book. Then what is written here is just for the page visitors to see a reason why they need to opt in for this book. So what they need to do is just to put their name and their email right here. Then they click on submit. So then the book goes straight into their email. So let us test this out right now. So if you can see right here, I've written a name and an email. So this is Abdul-W and abdulwa@gmail.com. So this is just a fake name and a fake email address, just for you to see how it's going to work. So once I click on submit now, let us see what's going to happen. So you can see here, the book will arrive in your mail shortly. And after that, it takes us straight to the thank you page. So once it takes you to the thank you page, your name and your email automatically goes into the email CRM. So inside the email CRM, some other things might be happening right there. Maybe I might have prepared some automation that they will continue to receive depending on how I set it, and so on and so forth. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use the free Mailchimp account to create automation for your business, you can also click the link in the description below to watch that video. But I'll suggest you watch the video after you finish watching this. So right now, let us go into my Mailchimp dashboard. So this is my Mailchimp dashboard. So as you can see right now, I have 11 contacts. But if I refresh this page, it's supposed to show 12 contacts. So let us see what it's going to show. So as you can see right here, you can see your audience has 12 contacts. So, and this is the contact here. So this is the email I typed. Then this is the first name. So you can see it's already in our email CRM. So now let us learn how to build this free opt-in page. So before we proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. If you don't know me already, I'm Abdul-wasi, and I share different tips, tricks, and strategies and tutorials that you can use to make money online, just like what I'm sharing with you in today's video. And if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you in advance for that. So without further ado, let us get started. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So what you need to do first is to install these plugins. So let me quickly go to plugins. So this is plugins here, then install plugins. And by the way, if you don't have a website or you don't know how to install WordPress yet, you can click the info card at the top right corner of this video to learn how to install WordPress. So once you do that, then you can come back here to carry on with the video. So these are the plugins you are going to be needing for this operation. So the first thing we'll be needing is Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is going to be the form that you saw where I inputted the name and the email. So that's what we are going to use to get people's email address. Then the second thing we'll be needing is Contact Form 7 extension for Mailchimp. So this Contact Form 7 extension plugin is what we are going to use to connect our Contact Form 7 together with Mailchimp. So connect them together. So whenever people fill the contact form, so it is going to go straight to our Mailchimp CRM. Then we are also going to be using Elementor. Elementor is going to be the page builder. So Elementor is what we are going to use to build the opt-in page. Then we are also going to be needing redirect for Contact Form 7. So what this plugin is going to do is going to redirect you to the thank you page when you put in your name and your email. So those are the plugins that we're going to be needing for this operation. So once you have installed the plugins, all you just have to do is just to go to your page. So you can click on add new. So to create the opt-in page, what I need to do now is just to give it a name. So let me just call it opt-in 1. I can't call it opt-in again because I already created a page called opt-in 1 already. So this page is called opt-in 1. Then another thing you need to take note of is this page attributes right here. So you can see template, which is default template. So you just click on this. Then you can see Elementor canvas. So you click on Elementor canvas. So once you do that, you don't need to do anything. Then you just click on publish. then click on publish again. So now the page has been published. Then what you need to do next is just to click on edit with Elementor. So if you can see right here, we have a blank page. So, and the reason why we had this blank page is because we picked Elementor canvas. So this is a very blank canvas, so we can begin to do whatever we like on it. So in order not to take too much of our time, so I'm just going to create this opt-in page real quick, and this is what we are going to do. So in order to create an opt-in page very fast, all you just have to do is just to click on this folder right here. So what I need to do is just to click on blocks. Then I can decide to scroll down till I find the block that I like. So I'm just going to look for the block that I used while creating the opt-in page earlier. So this is the block I used. So what you just have to do is just to click on this. Then you can see insert right here. So you click on insert. So this is the opt-in page. So all I just need to do now is just to edit this page. So you can see this phone image. So I will need to change it. So I'll click on this. Then you can see right here, you can see choose image. So I'll click on this. Then this is the image of the book that I used the other time. So all I just need to do is just to click on this. And by the way, if you don't have any image in your WordPress, so all you just have to do is just to click here to upload the file. So you can select the file from your computer, or you can decide to drag it from whatever folder it is straight into your WordPress account. So I will just come back here, then I'll click on this, then I'll click on insert media. So you can see now the picture has already changed to this book. But if you notice, you can see that the book is a little bit towards the right. So what I just need to do is just to click on this, any of this button right here. So either left, right, or center. Either left, center, or right. So this is left here. So if I click to the left, you can see shift to the left. But I will prefer it to be at the center. So let it be there for now. So you can see now playground for creative people. So all I just need to do is just to change this. So let me go back to the opt-in page I showed you earlier. So I'll just copy this right here. Then I'll come back here to paste it. So this is it. So as I click on this, so I'll just come here, then I'll Control A, then Control V. So you can see now the text has already changed. So it's that easy. Then you can see here to change this, all I just need to do is just to click on this. Then I'll come here again, I'll do the same. So I'll just copy. So I'll copy it, then I'll come back here and paste. So I'll just click here, Control A, then Control V, and boom. So that's how easy it is. Then if you notice right here, you can see that there's a little bit of space right here between this block and this text block, and the same thing right here. So in order to take away the space, all I just need to do is just to click on this column icon here. So you can see this column icon here. So I'll click on this. It means that there's a padding between here and here. So I'll just go to advanced. Then you can see right here. So I'll just delete this. So now there's no space there again. So you can see now it's a little bit wider, which is better. Then right here you can see read more. So what I need to do here is to input the form there. So what I need to do is just to delete this since I don't need this. Then what I'm going to be needing is the short code. So I'm going to input the contact form right now. Then later towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I created the form. So in order to input the contact form, all I just need to do is just to click this button right here. Then I'll search for short code. So let me search for short code here. So this is short code. So then I'll paste it right at the bottom here. So you can see nothing is there because I've not pasted any short code. And the way contact form 7 works is that after you create the form, only is going to give you a short code which you can paste on whatever page you want the form to appear. So let me go into my contact form right now and get the code. So I'm back to my WordPress dashboard. So in order for you to get the contact form short code, all you just have to do is just to click on contact. So once you install the contact form 7 plugin, you're going to see this contact right here. So you can see this is contact form 1 and this is contact form 2. So I re-edited contact form 1, which is what I used on the demo page, which I showed you earlier. So then I duplicated contact form 1 and named it contact form 2. So which is going to be what I'm going to use to show you right now. So later towards the end of the video, I will show you how to create contact form because this contact form needs more attention compared to even creating the pages. So now this is the shortcode for contact form 2. So you can see the shortcode right here. So all I just need to do is just to click on this, then I'll copy. So once I copy it here, then I'll go back to the to the page where I'm editing it. So this is where I'm going to paste the code. So once I press paste now, So you can see now the name, the email, and the submit button is already there. So I think I'm already done creating the opt-in page. So that's how easy it is. So once I click on update and I preview the page right now. So right now you can see this is the opt-in page which is ready. So everything we've done is there, and this is the form right now. So which means that the form is ready to collect contacts from people. But the thing right now is that the form is not connected anywhere. I've not connected it to Mailchimp. I've not connected it to the thank you page. So right now, even if I put anything and I put any email, it's not going to go anywhere. So let me just put something.com. So if I click on submit, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's just saying your book will arrive in your mail shortly, and that's it. Nothing is going to happen, and nothing is going to be emailed because I'm not connected. So I'm going to show you how to do that towards the end of the video. So before then, let me quickly show you how to create the thank you page. So I want the thank you page to be ready. Then after that, I'll show you how to create the contact form. Then and that will be all. So now let us create the thank you page. So what we need to do is just to go back to our dashboard again. Then I'll create a new page and call it thank you. Though I've created a thank you page which I showed you earlier, so but I'm going to create another thank you page and I will just call it maybe TY. I think the former one I created was called thank you. So I'll just call this one TY. Then as usual, I'll go back to our page attributes, which you can see template here. Default template, I'll change it to Elementor canvas. So once I do that, I'll click on publish. Then publish again. So now the page is published. So all I need to do now is just to click on edit with Elementor. So this is our blank thank you page, which is called TY. So what I need to do right now is to either start creating from the scratch, which I will not want to do because it's going to make this video too long. So what I'll just do is just to import a template. So let me just click here right here. So you can see blocks, my pages, my template. So I'll click on blocks again. Then I'll click on any template that I like. So let me just look for anyone right here. So this was the template that I used to create the thank you page. So what I need to do is just to click on insert here. So this is it right here. So what I can just do, I will just need to delete all this. Let me delete this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Then I don't need this either. So if you don't know I'm deleting it, what I just did is just to right click on this pencil icon. So you can see this pencil icon right here. So I'll just right click on this, then I'll click on delete. That's all. It's as simple as that. I'm not doing anything else. So then what I need to do now, if you can remember in this place here, you can see this is the thank you page, and you can see that the book is right here at the right here. So what I need to do is just to come back here, then I can click on this box. So then I'll need to look for image. So this is image right here. So I'll click on this, then drag it right inside this box. So this is the image right here. So all I need to do now is just to click on choose image. Then this is the book right here. So I will just click on this. Then I'll click on insert media. So now the book is right here. So then if you can see here, you can see thanks for subscribing. Your book will arrive in your mail shortly. So I will just copy all this, then I'll come back here and paste. So this is it. So this is what I'll click. I'll click on this, all your service in one place. So I'll click on this, I'll select all, and I'll paste. So that's all. Then if you can see, it's not really looking so nice here. So this is who we are. I'll delete this. I'll right click on it again. Then I'll go down and click on delete. So it's gone. So I can decide to maybe stretch this out a little bit. Then if you can notice, you can see that there's a space between here and here. So in order to take care of the space, all I need to do is just to click on this. Is just to click on this pencil icon here. Then I'll go to advanced. So you can see the padding right here. So all I need to do is just to delete this 200 away. Then I can decide to edit the style of this text. So let me just click on style. Then I can decide to reduce the size. So I'll just click on this pencil here. So you can see this size here. So if I stretch it, it becomes bigger. If I reduce it, it gets smaller. So I think it's okay this way. Then let me also let me put it in the center. So you can see center here. So once I click on content here, you can see left, center, right. So I'll click on center. So this is center. Then you can see this divider here is at the left, but at this thank you page here, it's in the center. So I can just come back here and I'll just, so I've clicked on it so you can see it's already here. Then you can see alignment. So all I need to do is just to click on center. So that's all. So our thank you page is ready. Then I'll click on update. So now we already have our opt-in page and we already have our thank you page. So what we need to do now is to connect both the opt-in page and the thank you page together, and at the same time also link the contact that we get on the opt-in page to our Mailchimp email marketing CRM. So in order to do that, everything is going to take place in our contact form 7. So let us go back to our WordPress dashboard, then I'll show you how to use the contact form 7 plugin. So let's go there right now. So this is our WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to create the contact form with our contact form plugin. So in order for you to do that, all you just need to do is just to go to contact. Then you can see add new. So you click on add new right here. So when you click on add new, you arrive at a page like this. Then you give the contact form whatever title you want to give it. So let me just call this maybe opt-in form. So this is going to be the name of the form. Then you can see here right here. If I remember earlier, the opt-in form is only asking for name and email. So what we need to do is to delete this field right here. So we can see label, your name, text, your name. So this is the field for name. This is the field for email. Then we can see this is subject and this is your message. We don't need those fields. So what I need to do is just to highlight both of them. Then I'll take them out. So now we have our name field and we have our email field. So that's for that. Then if you can remember on the opt-in page, the name and the email is right inside here. So this is the name, this is the email. So we are going to design it something to look like that. So in order to do that, all I need to do is just to come back here. Then I'll delete this your name. The reason why this your name, the reason I'm going to delete your name is because the name is going to show on top of the form, and this email is also going to show on top of the email form. So I'm going to delete both of them right now. So then inside here, I'm going to put in this word called placeholder. Then I'm going to put a space. Then I'm now going to type in what I want inside that form. So I'm going to type in name right here. Then I'll do the same thing for the email. So let me just copy this. Then I'll come here. I'll give a space. Then I'll paste this. Then I'll change this name to email. So now our contact form is almost ready. So now the next thing we need to do is to go to this mail. So you can see inside here, the message body shows that from your name, your email, subject, all these things, we don't need it. So I will just delete all this. Then I can decide to maybe edit this. So let me just put something like this. What this message body means is that whenever someone fills the form, you are going to get a message that someone has filled the form. Is you that will now design the message the way you want it to be. So let us assume I want to get a message from that form. What I will just call it is maybe email. Then I'll call this one name. So what this means is that if anybody fills that contact form, I'm going to get this message saying name, then it will put the name of that person, and I will get this email. It's also going to put in the email of that person. The essence of this is that whenever you are running a campaign for someone, maybe like a lead campaign for someone, you can decide to do this for the person. So this will be going straight to the person's email. So whenever the person sees something like, the person will know that yes, you're actually doing a very nice job for him. But it depends on you. But if you don't want it, you can decide to leave it empty. So let me just leave this like that. Then the next thing I'll need to do is to go to message. So you can see here what sender's message was sent successfully. So what I don't want this message to show thank you for your message that has been sent, because they are not actually sending me a message. I will just say that I can say thank you for filling the form. I can say that your book will be sent to you shortly. So let me just write that now. Whenever someone fills the form and press submit, it's going to show your book will be sent to you shortly before it redirects the person to the thank you page. But before it can redirect the person to the thank you page, all you need to do is just to click on action. So you can see action here, but it's saying I should save my form. So let me just save this first. So right here you can see action now. Then it's asking which action do we want to do. We actually want it to redirect to another page after someone has filled the form. So what I need to do is just to click on redirect right here. Then I'll click on add action. Then I'll decide to edit this action. So now you can see the rule of the action is new action. Then you can see select a page. So what page do you want it to redirect to after someone has filled the form? So I want it to redirect to this TY page, which I created as the thank you page. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on save. So that's all. So now our redirect is ready, our form is ready. Then the next thing that remains is our Mailchimp connection. So in order for you to connect this to your Mailchimp account, what you need to do is just to click right here where you can see this Chipmatic light. So I'll click on this. So you can see right here is asking for the API key for our Mailchimp account. So in order for you to go to get your API key for your Mailchimp account, all you just have to do is just to go to your Mailchimp account. Then in your Mailchimp account, what you just have to do is just to click on this icon right here. So you click on this, then you can see account here. You click on account, then you click on extras. Then now you can see API key. So you click on API keys. So all you have to do now is just to scroll down here where you can see the API key. So you can just click on this, then right click and copy. Then go back to your contact form. So we are going to paste in the API key right here now. So I will just right click on this and click on paste, or I'll decide to press on Ctrl V. So once I do that, then I will just click on connect and fetch your mailing list. So let us do that right now. So now you can see it has connected to our Mailchimp account. So what I need to do now is just to select where I want the email to go and where I want the name to go. So this email is already done for me, which is correct. So the next thing I need to just focus on is this name, because I'm only collecting two fields, which is the name and the email. So this is the first name. So I'll just click on choose right here. Then you can see type, which is text. So that is the um, first name. So your name is the tag which is used for the first name. So once I'm done with that, then I'll click on save. Our contact form is ready. So all I just need to do now is just to copy this short code, where you can see this short code at the top here, this short code right here. So I'll just copy this, then I'll decide to paste it inside the short code of the opt-in page where I pasted that short code earlier. So let me just copy this right now. So I'll copy, then I'll go to pages, all pages. So this is the opt-in page that I created, opt-in 1. So I'll just click on edit with Elementor. So right here you can see this is the form that I created. This is the form that I created earlier. So all I need to do now is just to click on this pencil icon to edit the shortcode. So this is the shortcode I copied earlier. So I'll just select all. Let me select all and delete. So now I'm going to paste in the code that I copied right now. So this is it here. So this is the opt-in form. So you can see the name, the email, and submit button. So everything is done, is there right now. So once I click on update, it's going to work perfectly now. So if I decide to put in any name and email right now, it's going to redirect to the thank you page, and at the same time, it's going to go into our Mailchimp CRM. So let us test that right now to see if what we've done is actually working correctly. So this is the opt-in page. So what I need to do now is just to type in any name and any email. So let us do that now. So let me type in John Doe as a name and johndoe@gmail.com as email. So let's try that now. This is the name that I use right here, and this is the email that I use right here. So once I'm done filling that, I'll just click on submit. So let us see what's going to happen. So if you can see, your book will be sent to you shortly. That was the message that we typed in that time, and now you can see that we have been directed straight to the thank you page which we created. So you can see now, thanks for subscribing. Your book will arrive in your mail shortly. So if I decide to go into my Mailchimp CRM right now, I'm going to see that John Doe and the John Doe email in my CRM. So let us go to our Mailchimp and test that right now. So this is my Mailchimp account. So let me just go straight to audience. Then I'll click on view contact, and boom, you can see the johndoe@gmail.com is already there. It has already helped us space it. First name John, second name Doe, and it has put the email right here. So it means that we've gotten this email into our Mailchimp CRM. So that's how easy it is to create your opt-in page with WordPress and to link to your Mailchimp account. So we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you've learned something in today's video. So please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you have not done so. And don't forget to click the like button. So once again, thank you for watching. And one more thing is this: if you don't know how to engage your audience after collecting their email, or maybe you don't know how to send them a book, because if you notice, that opt-in form is more or less like a lead magnet, someone giving me their email in exchange for getting their book. You can click the info card at the top right corner to watch the video where I show you how to create an email automation with Mailchimp on a free account. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.